So for someone who doesn't know what is RPA, what actually does an RPA developer do?
RPA developer make your life easier.
So as we know that you did an internship at IIT Hyderabad. So how did you land an internship there?
It was purely based on my the year I joined 2021 passed out students, right? Everyone got placed. I got an opportunity from a world famous director called Dennis, who took the movie of Dune, Blade Runner 2049.
So what is one valuable thing you learned out of your syllabus which helped you in your life?
The outside syllabus thing.
Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of JITians Talk, presented to you by JITwire. Today we have our alumni who is an RPA developer at Navsan and who has done an internship at IIT Hyderabad. So welcome to the show.
Hi there.
So tell me who you are.
Myself Hemanth, 2021 to 2025 batch pass out student of ECE department. As you all know, I am a RPA developer in Navsan, which is related to AI agentic bots. We had a team over here, which is called Aeronauts, and in that team we had Logesh, Ashwin, myself. We represented our college in many of the fest, and we have won many prizes. You could go and see through the history of our Aeronauts team. Yeah, this is my small introduction.
Okay, so before we talk about tech, tell us one of your funny moments from your college life.
My first funny moment was like in the first year. We have enrolled the name for speaking competition. Like for the topic of against drugs, I think, for the NSS. The topic we prepared, right? Myself and my friend Akshay, we have prepared the overall topic. We had the content which we wrote. Before itself, the staff, I don't want to mention the name, the staff has spoken the entire content which we have taken from the Google. That time there wasn't ChatGPT or any of the AI tools. So from Google, whatever the points we get, we just gathered it out. That time that staff spoke every point which we had no point to speak. We went to the staff behind the students and behind his ears we are whispering him, sir, that ma'am spoke every topic which we had, so please remove our name from this competition. So I don't want hereafter I don't want to speak. That was my most funniest moment ever I had.
Okay, so what kind of a person were you in college? Like, were you a serious guy or a chill person or very studious?
No, I don't want to be noticed by anyone.
Okay.
I'm a kind of that person.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to be in a spotlight, or I don't want to be in a position where everybody recognizes me. I want to be where no one can see me and just do my work and get off the area or campus.
So what's one thing you miss the most about JIT?
The culture which I had with my friends, right? Okay. Which is most. We had an entire 4 years of bond with them. And suddenly even with the staffs, we suddenly get from the class culture to work culture, which is a big shift. Yeah, there will be shift in lives, but this is like drastic. We go there, we don't know anyone we come here, we don't know anyone here. We get bond in 4 years. After that, we get again going like a stranger, which is a weird kind. So I just miss that college days.
So you mentioned about Aeronauts. So how was your contribution there, or how did you work with them?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. Like, first, my friend Logesh, right? He and Ashwin founded that club. They wanted me to just make the Excel PDF. For that purpose, they wanted me because I'm little bit good at designing. So they wanted me to design their documents, whatever they had. So I had actually gone to that purpose. Meanwhile, eventual time, they both work vigorously with the coding. So I got small spark from there. Okay, why can they do? Why can't I do that? So I just hanging up by them, like that passed after post third year. I just started hanging up with them, and yeah, the technical skills grew me in that way with by them only. Other than that, I think without them, my technical skill would be zero.
So, what do you think are the opportunities you missed while you were at JIT, which could have helped you in your future or right now, which could have helped you?
Yeah, the one thing is right, which is first thing, I started at late, like third year, post third year, I started to networking, which was the most reliable or sourceable matter for a college student. After that, knowing about the AI tools. The AI tools in the market is so vast. Even yesterday, there is a studio called Google Learning Platform. There is which is completely free. You can learn whatever you want. They are going to give you credits. And there is this Google another competition like you can get goodies from them, so that you need to just solve the codes they have published in that. So AI code lab there is. So this things and all right there. This things and all is an additional for your resume. And the project, we may think why we are doing this project, but that project has more value while we are facing the interview. In our resume, they see first not our name, not our CGPA, not everything. They see our thing which is called project. What you did that in project. So if you have a real-time project, that would be most preferable.
Okay. So as we know that you did an internship at IIT Hyderabad. So how did you land an internship there?
Yeah, that was through my networking. It was purely based on my school professor and from the school staff. From there, I got a professor link up. He called me and he asked me what and all project I have worked in colleges, and he got little bit of hope he can do something. So he wanted me over there to work on the AI stack.
So how was your time at Hyderabad or IIT Hyderabad? How did you feel and something like that?
Yeah, that is right. No, even my friends don't know I am doing the internship over there. Like nobody knows except my family, and I have informed to our HOD. That's it. Other than that, nobody knows I am doing. While that completion part, right? When I'm going to complete the intern, then everybody came to know. Okay, he's doing internship over there. That particular 3 to like I was spending, I can go for 1 week over there, and other remaining things I can work from my home itself. So that 1 week, right? That was an extraordinary culture over there. The students over there, they are from different colleges, and they are one of their IIT institutions. So what they did was, we gathered together, we mostly spend on team building, not on the AI part or drone part. We were just mostly building on our team part. And when the internship got completed, right, we completed with that project. I felt that professor came to me and said, yeah, you have something in you, go and find yourself. I was really stunned because he has an immense of experience. So I felt really special about that in my life.
So did you have any tough moment during internship, like I'm not good enough, I can't do this, why am I here? Did you have some moment like that?
Yeah, self-doubt is the biggest question, right? So that self-doubt will drive you through what you are in life. So self-doubt is the most important thing we need. So I had that inferiority complex or whatever it is called. Others are good at that thing, why I am not? So what I will do is, I will try to learn. If I am not good at it, I am going to leave it. If I am good at it, I am going to keep on trying. Yeah.
So now you are into a corporate world right now. So what is the difference in the atmosphere or nature, like between the internship and the corporate world? Is there any difference or anything like that?
Corporate life is like working for them, not for you.
Okay.
You can develop your skills during your internship, which is different from corporate life. But I am blessed, whereas my seniors over my corporate life are so caring, so like they are so genuine to me. They teach me a lot. Without them, I think I won't survive this 5 months or like this. Yeah, that corporate life is a bit different from the normal life itself. So corporate life is like, okay, you have to go on, keep on working. You have to learn that stack. If you know that stack, you are good enough.
Okay, so now, as you told, you are an EC student. So now, how did you choose RPA as your career? Like, how did you figure it out?
So no, like I was a EC student. Even then, I am not good with my embedded systems. I am good at my Java skills. So even then, I don't know. AI needed Java. So then again, I came to Python.
Okay.
So I was revolving around this code. I know I am not good at embedded systems or VLSI. So I choose over. Okay, I am good at something else. So I figured it out. That is AI agents. So I was figuring out where and all we can search for opportunity. By God grace, our college campus got one. So I landed in that job.
Okay. So for someone who doesn't know what is RPA, what actually does an RPA developer do?
RPA developer does do like make your life easier.
Okay.
So how means we would automate the things which you are using regularly. For example, in the industries like banking, government agencies, metro policies, and whatever the documentation or whatever the stuff we are doing in the regular life, right? We would automate that. For example, I would give you would get a notification on the bank platform saying this is your due date to pay the insurance or loan amount, right? You would get the notification. So that notification is done by RPA thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, can RPA really be a long-term career for a person?
Not really. Even I am new to the field. So what I am having in my mind, I will let me share. If you want, you can take it, or else you would leave it here itself. Like, you can have a plan of 1 year, not in the long-term run. Whatever in the software field, right? You will have a better stack coming every day. Like we had a Google, now we are having Gemini. Okay. The Google landscape has been reduced. The Google engine search has been reduced, where the Gemini and ChatGPT engines search rate has been higher. So anyhow, this will be replaced by some other tech. Anyhow, AI is not the most going to be. There is this thing called quantum computing. That is beyond this AI or whatever software developer things. Quantum computing is on research papers, not on the level field. What if comes that we need to get updated to that, right? Okay. Yeah. In the long term run, you don't think about like, okay, can I choose this as a complete career? Always try to be a growing learning partner. Okay. Whenever you are learning, you are going to be growing, right? So that's the motive. For a year, you can have a plan, not more than that.
Okay. So what's one thing you thought someone could have told you when you were in the first year of engineering?
First year of engineering, not only me, for the total student is like, don't run beyond arrears, run beyond skills. Yeah, if you are getting arrear and you are spending time with that subject, that's not gonna help you. If you are gonna make sure you get past with that subjects and you keep on building the skills which will make you grow, like Java, Python, whatever the VLSI, embedded system, you can learn about that. We have so much source. So Google skills are there, YouTube is there. We have immense amount of platform where we can learn, but we won't do that because of the consistency word. But somehow it is difficult, but somehow if you learn, you are going to be best on someday.
So as you told, you are into AI domain. So what are the tools or the learning platforms? Tell us more about AI.
Yeah, AI is like, as you know, full form is artificial intelligence. It's an intelligent thing which whatever we can ask. Even we can ask a silly question like, what is A after? It will say B. It won't hesitate or it won't judge us by saying this is A after B, even you don't know this. It will troll us if we want to do that. So what you want to do is AI in that AI field is, if you wanna use it efficiently, you have to get into the phrasing thing, like prompting thing. So if you want to use that, it would be properly like you have to prompt it like 3 ways. You have to give the introduction, what you want, then you have to say why this is needed, and what are your opinions about that which you don't want. These are the 3 rules which you have to prompt in a single value, so that the AI would understand you better. What we do is, right, we will simply text, give me the letter alphabet which is after A. We will give. It won't say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It would say like until Z it would say. But what we need is, right, we need only the letter B. So we have to prompt it accordingly. If you want to build the AI, you have to learn more. It is completely on Python. So you have to learn Python, the data structure algorithm, then Python, then I may be wrong. Even I am not fully efficient at everything. So the thing is, you have to go and search beyond what you want to run.
Okay.
If you are running in that path, you have to know why we are running in that path. That's the thing.
So any AI tools or any learning platforms like to learn AI, anything you could share?
Yeah, Google Skills is there. That is, which is completely free. You need credits. By learning, you will be getting credits. So Google Skill is the major one. After that, if you want in more fun way, you want to do projects. If you want to need the experience of what I am learning is Google Arcade, IBM Skill Builds. After that, AWS Cloudware. These are the some tools where you can go and explore.
Okay.
So if that exploration is there, you will be familiar to the AI stacks.
Okay. So what is one valuable thing you learned out of your syllabus which helped you in your life?
The outside syllabus thing, it's not outside syllabus, which was included in syllabus, but we don't do that. For me as a EC student, I thought like why we are learning Python in the first year, then in second year why we are learning C programming language, I thought, then why we are learning Java, which 3 I learned in the 4th year, which was a complete mess around. This 3, if I learned in that particular year itself, I would have been in a better position to where I am now. So the thing is, it's not about the beyond learning, it's about what you have, what you are learning. If you learn with the complete interest, you could get the essence of the subject. Like, yeah, this is the thing we can apply in the future. Not every book is going to help you in the life, but some book will help you in the life.
So how long did it take for you to learn all these programming languages?
Yeah, it's not I have mastered every skill. Like from 3rd year mid, I have started the preparations. So by 3rd year, for my friend Ashwin and Logesh, they needed my help in the documentation work. I thought in other ways I could help them in the tech stacks. So I started to learn by that only. Even they don't know I am learning that.
Okay.
Like I was keeping in the shadows and I was just doing my work. So that's how by now I think it's almost 3.5 years I am still learning.
Okay.
There are still many parts to learn.
Okay. What is the difference with like in your college day you would have thought that this is how a company should be, this is how corporate life is. So what was your expectation? What is actually the reality like?
Yeah. First thing I have to say is the year I joined, right, 2021, the 2021 passed out students, right, everyone got placed out. During that batch students got placed out in the Wipro, in few other reputed companies. They all got placed. I know that. By thinking like, okay, we also can get placed easily, I thought chill for 2 years and I was chilling out for 2 years. I didn't take the college life seriously. But once my seniors came to the 4th years, they struggled a lot in the like placement work. Like they were running beyond the time, so for them also preparation time was not healthy enough, or they didn't take it serious, I don't know. They were struggling, that was the thing. And after that I realized, oh my god, the thing is job market is too rare, so we have to prepare ourselves or else we are going to get run in the 1,000 dogs as one dog, or else we won't survive. So what the thing was, I started by then, And by the fourth year end, I got placed by the college itself.
Okay. So, other than programming, do you have any other areas of interest, like any hobbies?
Yeah, I do designing works mostly. Yeah, I do the designing works like YouTube thumbnails are there, right? Exactly, I won't do that, but I love to design posters. I do love to edit or that all area during that cinematography life, right? I like that, but I am not fully into it.
Okay.
Due to the exploration field, I love to do that. I want to keep myself as somewhat busy, so that distractions won't happen apart from that. So the thing is, like, I do this poster designing. Now, for now, current doing is learning about content writing.
Okay.
This is my current thing.
So, do you have any work experience in these fields like content creation and all?
So the experience is like I got an opportunity from a reputed director or world famous director called Dennis, who took the movie of Dune, Blade Runner 2049. So what I do is the contact I got, right, is from Instagram. I reached out the team office by Instagram. I was searching. I wanted to work with him. So he's my well-known, my most favorite director. So I wanted to work with him. So what I did was I was reaching out some way. I pitched them my idea called AI-driven posting solution. So which is related to content, which is related to my field also. So I have gave them the project which I did, which was a short project for what is the right time to post on Instagram, which ChatGPT says, right? We can just ask it on Thursday 6:30 p.m. we can post it, so the reach would be higher. This is the thing which I done as a module, which can, if you ask that, it would say the correct time and date of the location where it will reach what is. By cracking an Instagram API, I did that. So that solution I have sent them as a document to his PF team. So that PF team did this. They did come back to me. It took really long time for we communicated through mails only. We didn't have a personal contact or whatever. So this PR team is there, right? What is public relationship team? So that public relation team wanted his status to be high in stakes because of the Dune 3 movies coming over. So the team stake should be high. So he wanted some out of innovation project. So he mailed me, okay, we are good with your project, but currently we are not exploring that. But how good you are at writing? He asked me. So I have sent him few samples. So this was from Dennis itself, not from his team. So the interesting part is I have sent him few samples which he looped through his team. So his team contacted me and asked for further details. They had for 2 or 3 more interviews what I am good at. They figured out, okay, he is good. So they hired me as an intern, part-time, like it's not a full-time job, it's a hobby job. That's how I introduced myself to them. So I am in this job, so I don't want a permanent job or this. I just want to associate and work how to see you are working. This is my experience to that.
Okay. If someone listening to this feels lost right now, what is one advice you could give to them from your journey?
I'm not a great expert to give advice on all. Just I will say like what I do. If you are willing to do something, you will just try. That try will make you to go to that place. So what is the best solution is just try. Even if it is a small thing, you could try that. If it is failing, you could try in another approach. If it is failing again, you could try in another approach. It's not about failing, it's all about getting tried and getting the output from the try.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you so much for being with us in this podcast and sharing your experiences.
Yeah, thanks Diya. Thanks for your behind the teams and thanks for having me. Thank you.
Okay, so until next time, stay tuned.